Hello everybody, welcome to the microbial world. My today's topic is bacterial flagellum, which is tail-like structures that comes out from the cell body of certain bacteria. So the question may be arise, what is the speciality of this bacterial structure? The speciality of this structure is to help the bacteria to move. To move towards nutrient and also towards other attractants. But one thing we should know, the number and the arrangements of the flagella is not same for all bacteria, which mean they have different arrangements and number for different strain. So based on these features, flagella can be divided into four major groups. The first group that we can say it's monotrichous flagella, So here monotrichous, so if we see this name, mono means one, and trichous, it means pole or polar. So from the name it says the monotrichous flagella means the flagella that comes out from the one pole of the bacteria. That's why it's called monotrichous flagella. It's just from the one end, one pole of the bacteria. So one of the example of this flagellated bacteria is Vibrio cholerae. And I think we know that this is the gram-negative comma-shaped bacteria. Here Vibrio means comma, cholerae, that comes from cholera, and based on this disease name, this bacteria has named. And the second group, which is called Amphitrichous flagella, Trichous flagella. Also, the writing is a bit problem, but okay, anyway. So Amphitrichous flagella. So the name, if you also see here the name amphi, so amphi means both, and trichous, as usual, it means four. So these kinds of flagella comes from the bacterial cell from the both end. That's why this is called Amphitrichous. And if you can able to remember the term amphibian, that means the species that can live both land and water, so that it would be work for you to remember easily. The Amphitrichous means amphi means both. Anyway, here one thing, it is very important to know that these two flagella never work together, never active together. When one flagella is active, another would be inactive, so that they can move smoothly by this way. One of the example of this flagellated bacteria is Alcaligenus fecalis. It's a gram-negative rod-shaped bacteria. Fecalis. It's a gram-negative rod-shaped bacteria, and the name fecalis comes from the feces or stool. The species first discovered from the stool. That's why it's named fecalis, Alcaligenus fecalis. Well, the third group of flagella is called Lophotrichous flagella. Flagella. Here, lopho, that means tuft or groove, and trichous, that I said before, it means pole or polar. So that says flagella that comes out from the bacterial cell body as a groove or tuft is called Lophotrichous flagella. It can come from one end of the body or from the both ends. One of the example of this bacterium is called Spirilla species, or Spirilla as you say species. Our final one of this group of bacteria is flagella, is called Peritrichous flagella. Peritrichous flagella. What's happening? Flagella, Peritrichous flagella. Here, peri, that means all. I mean, from every sides. And trichous means the polar or pole. So these kinds of flagella that comes from bacterial cell body from everywhere, like this one, it comes from all sides of the body, bacterial cell body. And one of the example of this kind of flagellated bacteria is E. coli. I think you all know about these organisms. It's called the model organisms. It is a gram-negative rod-shaped bacteria. Actually, most of the members of Enterobacteriaceae family belongs to this group, Peritrichous flagella. As I said before, the importance of this flagella is to help the bacteria to move from one place to another, but it has also another importance medically in bacterial pathogenesis. For example, the flagella of E. coli bacteria helps E. coli to move from human urethra to the urinary bladder, and that causes urinary tract infection occur. On the other hand, during the clinically identification of bacteria like Vibrio or Proteus species, due to their to see their motility, we easily can identify it, and it's happened due to these flagellated structures of Vibrio cholerae. So, and that's all for this day. If you like my video lectures or want to see more, then don't forget to subscribe or comments below.